Hi Diane, I'm not sure if the notes are going to make enough sense without just visualizing how this goes. So you need to be logged into your Mackin account at mackin.com, and I noticed that it works way better on the Chrome browser, so start with Chrome. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to My Account into your orders. This may default to Bondwell Elementary. Under Location, you need to change it to Bondwell Middle School and High School. And then you're going to be looking right here, and you're going to download these MARC records. And that's going to be downloading, let me see if I can move my screencast a little lower here, into a zip file. Once you have that zip file downloaded, you're going to minimize everything that you have on your screen. Oh, maybe not. You got to open up this file. Now I'm going to minimize everything I have on my screen, and then move this MARC record right over to your desktop. Reason why mine said replaced is I had moved it over to my desktop to test drive it. Yours won't have that indicator. So right here is my MARC record again. Now I can close this, go into the Bondwell High School Destiny system, and I go into Catalog. I'll want to go into Import Titles. I need to choose a file. And then I'm going to go, because I saved it on my desktop, I need to choose this MARC record. You'll see it populates right here under File Name. I choose Open. And then I would choose Import, but I'm not going to, because then I've just done it for you and then you can't test drive it. So this is what you're going to finally touch, import, and then you wait about 5 minutes, and then when you're done with that, you'll go into circulation and check in and make sure that the scan codes work. It went easy breezy at the elementary school, so I think it'll be just as easy for you here. Thanks.